Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sara and I am a level 1 student at Rehan School, Islamabad campus. So viewers, as you know, I will come with the new TEDx talk topic. So today my TEDx talk topic is how to make stress for your friend. So let's start. In this TEDx talk, Kelly McGonigal explains that stress is not always harmful. The way we think about stress can change its impact on our health and performance. Research shows that people who believed was harmful had higher health risks, while those who viewed stress as helpful handled it better and stayed healthier. Stress prepares the body to face challenges and even encourage social bonding and support. Key message: do not avoid stress, understand it and use it. Stress can motivate growth and resilience. Uh, Connecting with others reduces the negative effects of stress. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk topic. So, today, so I hope like it. Meet with the next TEDx talk topic and the new topic. So, Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.